Rajpriya Kaur and you are watching News Movement English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on these news. Kodia Andal 116.40 metric tons of illegal coal seized in the joint raid on Monday on the instruction of Central Industrial Security Force Sitalpur Headquarter Commandant Mithlesh Kumar, which was the later deposited in the coal depot at Siripur area of ECL. The raids were led by Inspector A.K. Singh of ICSF ECL. Security guard and local police personnel were involved with them. The raid were conducted in the Michidanga area of K. Siripur area official. In this connection, a case has been registered with the local police station. During the raid, the CISF and ECL security guard and police says that this raid has been done for the last several days with the aim of saving the property of ECL, thereby saving the property of ECL. Said that hundreds of metric tons of illegal coal have been seized in the last 1 month, which was deposited in ECL's colony depot. The Jawan says that illegal coal business operating illegally in the area has to be stopped so that the ECL property can be saved. The CISF special task force that the soldier of Siripur and Kunustodia camps were involved in the raid said. On Monday, on the 113th birthday anniversary of Shahid Bhagat Singh, his oil painting was paid tribute at the club by Shahid Bhagat Singh Electric Club at Disargarh River Ghat in Sankodia region. Along with this, sweets were distributed among the attendances with social distancing etc. were completely followed during the program. According to the information, the portrait of Shahid Bhagat Singh was first grandladed by senior Trinamool leader Kulti Block, former executive president of Trinamool Dr. Subhal Chakravarti. On this occasion, Dr. Subhal Chakravarti said that Bhagat Singh had a sense of patriotism from the beginning in order to free the country from the clutches of the British. At a very young age, he jumped into the freedom struggle. Under this activity, he threw a bomb in Delhi Central Assembly to protest against the Anti-National Public Safety Bill, the Trade Dispute Bill, the purpose of which was not to be harm anyone, but they were caught and sentenced to death by Rajguru and Sukhdev on charges of Lahore compulsory case. He said the program had been shortened due to the corona pandemic. There will be a bigger program in the coming time. The chief advisor, the club on the occasion was Dr. Subhal Chakravarti, Secretary, West Bardhaman District, Trinamool Youth Congress, Abhishek Chakravarti, Club Secretary, Shamar Hari, Animesh Mukherjee, Sanoj Singh, Vidyut Banerjee, club members and others were present.
আপনারা সকলেই জানেন যে আজকে আমাদের শহীদ ভগৎ সিং এর জন্মদিন। ডিসারগড় ভগৎ সিং অ্যাথলেটিক
Student of Kazi Nazrul Islam University in Asansol on Monday, led by Trinamool Chhatra Parishad West Bardhaman District President Kaushik Mandal, demonstrate at the university gate to protest the increase in college fees Kaushik Mandal said that Corona situation Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and State Education Minister Parad Mukherjee had instructed not to increase college fees, but Nazrul Islam, the university authorities, ignored the directivity and increased the fees. College authorities verbally said last February that fees could be increased, but then after the corona situation come, everyone financial condition got worse and they were having problem to pay college fees. Trinamool Chhatra Parishad met the vice principal of college and demanded waiver of college fees. Upon receiving the news of the incident, the police of Asansol North Police Station came and talked to the college authorities and brought the situation under control. On the 113th birth anniversary of Shahid Azad Bhagat Singh, a blood donation camp was organized by the Parivartan Sanstha at the East Kenda Community Hall on the inspiration of Honorable Chief Minister. The camp was inaugurated by Mayor in Council Asansol Abhijit Ghatak. On this occasion, BDO of Bahadurpur Block Krishnu Rai, Jamuria Block 2, President of Trinamool Congress Sukumar Bhattacharya, PMO at Jamuria Rajesh Chandra Shah and others members were present. The camp was inaugurated by lighting the lamp and worth. Asansol Jila Hospital Blood Bank collected 32 bottles of blood in this blood donation camp. Mayor in council addressing this blood donation camp, Abhijit Ghatak said, I thank the Parivartan Sanstha for organizing this camp, which has taken steps to fulfill the lack of blood by organizing blood donation camp. That during the time of this corona like pandemic, Chandra Mohan Jha, Dhananjay Tiwari, Rahul in making this camp a success, Kumar, Sumit Kumar, Sandeep Paswan, Randhir Kumar, Deepak Rakshit, Shailesh Thakur, Chandan Paswan, Raja Ram and Ajit Sav etc. were present. Listen to what Mr. Abhijit Ghatak said.
तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये हर जो ऐसा चीज है जो लोगों के खिलाफ होता है उस पर वो आंदोलन करे, उसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाए और लोगों का साथ दे। परिवर्तन एक ऐसा चीज है जो हर समय होते रहता है, कभी कोई चीज एक जैसा।
Manoj Sharma Barabani block on behalf of the Trinamool Congress Mustard Balls workshop at Tali Kandeshwar Baba Temple. Vidhan Upadhyay MLA of Barabani admitted to a private nursing home for few days ago. Barabani block president Asit Singh, Barabani block youth president Parthesh Mukherjee was also present. Local Jam Gram Panchayat Chief Keshab was also present. Haurat Mahadev Maharaj Baba Maharaj Kandeshwar Baba was given the gift.
মানে এই ইতিহাস আমরা শুনেছি, সেই ইতিহাসের সাক্ষী রইল আজকে বিধান উপাধ্যায় যে আমাদের এমএলএ করোনায় আক্রান্ত হয়েছেন, তার সুস্থ কামনায় আমাদের যারা আছে এখানে তারা আজকে যে আয়োজন করলো জুড়ির প্রসাদ পুজো আরতি, এটা কিন্তু একটা সত্যিকারের আবেগ আমাদের কাজ করলো। আমরা দেখলাম যারা আমাদের পুরনো দিনের কর্মী ছিল।
আমি দেখছি যেদিন থেকে আক্রান্ত হয়েছে সমগ্র বারাবণীতে সমস্ত মন্দির বলুন মসজিদ বলুন সব জায়গাতেই প্রার্থনা চলছে যাতে আমাদের এমএলএ খুব তাড়াতাড়ি সুস্থ হয়ে উঠুক, এবং এটা বলার দরকার নেই, সবাই নিজের এমন একটা আবেগ কাজ করছে।
On behalf of India Youth Federation, on the 113th birthday anniversary of Bhagat Singh, today the organization was first celebrated in the local committee office of Siduli by paying floral garland to the statue of Shahid Azam. After that, holding a meeting, the Central Secretary of the organization, Rajendra Kumar Raju, said that All India Youth Federation has been demanding from the beginning in the way people get 100 days of employment under Emergia law in entire country. Today, the same will be enacted. Bhagat Singh National Employment Guarantee Act to be implemented all over the country, and the unemployed youth of country should provide employment to the unemployed youth according to their merit and efficiency. The unemployment allowance is given to those who have been above 35 years ago. 10,000 monthly giving. The All India Youth Federation has been agitating against the government, and in the day to come this organization will come out on the road by drawing the outline of the movement on the scale of whole country. And today the government will increase the country government property one by one, selling in the hands of big industry, coal, rail, banks, insurance, LIC, Air India, BPCL, BSNL is all government industry. Before Modi come to power in 2014, it was announced that it promised to provide employment to 20 million young people every year. During the last 6.5 years, about 12 crore people lost their employment during the rule of the government. And the government says that selling dumplings is also an employment. If selling dumpling is an employment, then why would people spend so much money to get such high education? What is that need to study MBA? What is on the occasion, branch secretary of the organization Harish Chandra Yadav, member Rajesh Paswan, Jainath Kumar Sen, Rupesh Kumar Tiwari, Krishna Paswan, Sunil Rai, Sultan Khatun, etc. were mainly present. 13th day of Swachhata Pakshwara on Asansol Division, Asansol, September 28, 2020, in pursuance of Honorable Railway Minister Directive. Swachhata Pakshwara, our fortnight-long program, has been observed for 16th September 2020, which will continue up to 30th September 2020. Speech emphasis will be on cleanliness of station, trains, tracks. Circulating area, yard, depot, toilets, drains, water, vending, paint, pantry, cars, canteen, duly observing social distancing norms.